So that's a kind of potted history there of the Sarwar family. What's interesting as well about Muhammad is when he went back to Pakistan, he dropped his dual citizenship, presumably for political purposes. So Muhammad had been a British citizen and a Pakistani citizen. He had dual citizenship, but when he wanted to stand as governor of the Punjab, he had to drop his British citizenship. So he just reverted back to his Pakistani citizenship, which is absolutely fair. I mean, I do not think dual citizens in the UK should be allowed to serve at a legislative level, whether council or devolved or parliamentary. I think that's, you have to make a choice. You know, you can't be a dual citizen and make the laws for a country that you've not fully committed to. Another common sense law that we should have, but that we don't, but that would kick, if we brought that one in, that would set the cat among the pigeons. But I totally believe that. I totally believe that. Also, if you're a dual citizen, you shouldn't be able to serve in another foreign army as well, because what happens if we end up fighting you? You know, so I'm not against dual citizenship as such, but it should be highly constrained. It should be highly constrained, and it should be an awful lot harder to get British citizenship. British citizenship should be a very precious possession that is very difficult to get. And instead of just getting it after like 5 years residence, it should be at least 15 years residence. And it should be a certain income levels and all sorts of hoops that you have to jump through before you get British citizenship. This idea of just giving it to every person who got here yesterday, I think, is just unacceptable. And again, if we were a serious country, this is how we would behave. And it's how serious countries around the world behave. Okay? It's how serious countries around the world behave, including, it seems, Pakistan.